G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? The time is 6 to 10 in the morning. Now, before I make my way down to the beach, I've got some of these birds having a quick feed here. This little bird feeder here I made myself. Got to fix up the netting, I think, on it though. Now, down here on the ground, we've got one of these ones, which is the Eastern Rosella. Beautiful animal. Colours are just awesome on these birds. Now I'm going to try to spin over to the left here if we can. Try to catch some of these ones. We've got our friendly magpies having a feed here. I've noticed with the magpies there's one with a black beak, oops, and one with a white beak. I wonder if that's actually a difference. I said one's younger or one's male and one's female. That I don't know. We've got this one here. Patiently waiting to have a bite to eat. Look at the colours on that. Absolute beautiful. That's it. Try to get them secure the camera properly. You notice that magpie there has a black beak, but there's another one that has a white beak. Ah, there it is in the branches. Both of them. Stay there, don't move. Look at that. What's happening? Got a couple of ground, I don't know, pheasants, as I like to call them that. Oh well, I'll let them all feed. Including the magpie. Still really hasn't rained. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and more comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.